Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be walking you through how you can change your profile name on Hamster Kombat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version. Next, navigate to the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal bars. From there, select Settings. Once you're in Settings, tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. A menu will appear, and from this menu, select Edit Info. Now, it's important to note that your Hamster Kombat name is linked to your Telegram username. In order to change it, you'll need to update your Telegram username as well. Simply type in your new desired username and tap the check mark at the top when you're done. After that, go ahead and launch the Hamster Kombat bot, and you'll see that your username has been successfully updated. One thing to keep in mind is, if you have a pre-existing Hamster Kombat account, you won't be able to change your username right away. However, you can still do this by first deleting your Hamster Kombat account, changing your Telegram username, and then creating a new Hamster Kombat account. So that's how you can change your username on Hamster Kombat. That's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.